I'm fixing to break my mosquito board down here, y'all. But this is just for y'all to see. It's tucked in underneath everything. Oh, it's doing just what I wanted it to do. If you got it on a center line, it makes life a lot easier. A whole lot easier. But anyway, we're going to shake it out a little bit. Oh, you're going to get leaves in. Put the two loops together. Take these puppies. And we're going to tie them in one single overhand knot. What I'm talking about when I'm talking about these mosquito boards. I'm going to roll her up. I'm going to put a strap on it.